humanoid robots about to replace entry-level jobs? Across the world, humanoid robots are quietly taking over roles once reserved for entry-level workers. From hotel lobbies to assembly lines, recent developments in robotics and AI are turning heads. And with 3 of the world's most advanced robots making bold new moves, it's time we have to ask, how close are we to seeing robots replace the workforce's most vulnerable roles? I don't think you are ready for this answer. So let's dive right into the new developments from these robots. Figure A's Helix, S1, BMW's new star employee. Let's start with number 3 on our countdown. Figure A, our guys. Helix S1. This isn't just a humanoid robot, it's a precision-engineered productivity machine. And it's already walking the floor of a real BMW factory. What makes Helix S1 special? It packs 4 powerful capabilities. Implicit stereo vision, meaning it can see and understand depth like a human. Multi-scale visual representations, giving it context of objects in its environment, from nuts and bolts to forklift pallets. Sport mode. Yep, that's real. This mode supposedly increases its speed by 20%, with Figure claiming it achieves 60% more output in certain logistics tasks as compared to human performance. Learned visual proprioception. Think of it as the robot's muscle memory. It knows how its limbs are moving without needing to look constantly. This isn't just a lab demo, this is happening on an actual production line. Figure's partnership with BMW isn't just a flashy new pilot. It's a test for humanoid robots' role in full-scale manufacturing. Unitree Robotics Dex5 dexterous hand. Precision perfected. Jumping to number 2. Unitree Robotics Dex5. Dexterous hand. A game changer in fine motor control. While Unitree made headlines with their agile, budget-friendly G1 humanoid, it's the Dex5-1 and Dex5-1P models that are famous in the robotics world. These robotic hands offer an impressive 20 degrees of freedom and up to 94 tactile sensors in the palm, allowing the robot to pinch, grip, and manipulate with almost human ability. And here's the best part. Want your robot to sort fruit without squishing it, zip up a jacket, or handle delicate tools? Dex5's got it. Combined with the G1 robot, the full setup is expected to cost around $70,000, which shockingly is about what a company might pay a warehouse worker over 2 years when you add in benefits as well. For companies doing the math, Dex5 isn't just a new tech, it's a long-term investment. Kenan Robotics, Xman R1, a new face in hospitality. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, Kenan Robotics, Xman R1. While Kenan is better known for restaurant-serving robots, the Xman R1 is its boldest leap into the humanoid world. This robot has 5-fingered hands, a 180-degree flexible waist, and a physical presence that resembles human workers in service and hospitality roles. In a recent demo, Xman R1 was seen, delivering and carrying trays of coffee, tidying up tables, interacting with other Kenan service robots like the W3, room service, and the S100 delivery cart. These are some cool new abilities, and here's more. The robot operated in a mock hotel environment and behaved like a seasoned staff member, of course, with slightly smoother moves and 0 complaints about tipping. So, how close are we really to humanoids taking over? On paper, the numbers and features are impressive. These robots never call in sick. They don't get tired, they can work overnight, and the upfront investment, while high, may be cheaper than the human staff long term. But here's where things get complicated. What people are saying. On social media, reactions have been mixed. I'd rather have a clumsy teenager serve me coffee than a robot. wrote one Reddit user. It's not about if they'll replace workers, it's how soon, tweeted a startup founder. Some see it as liberation from dangerous, continuous work. Others view it as the death of job opportunities for millions of workers with lesser education. The emotional tension is real and growing. Personal commentary. I'm both amazed and uneasy. Watching a robot deliver coffee or assemble car parts with precision is undeniably impressive, a proof of how far we've come. But I can't shake the feeling that we're walking a fine line. Entry-level jobs aren't just about money. For many, they're a step forward. A first paycheck, a move toward independence, or a way to provide for family. Replacing that with a cold, steel hand feels like we're trading human opportunity for just efficiency. Shouldn't we be having louder conversations about how we reskill, adapt, and prepare people for a robot-assisted world? The robots aren't coming anymore. They're here, checking inventory, folding napkins, and yes, doing repetitive warehouse work more efficiently than a lot of us humans can. But whether they replace us or free us depends on the choices we make now, as businesses, as governments, and as people. Do we build a future where humans and robots collaborate, or one where we hand over the hard jobs and simply walk away? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI robots and new technology.